Dubai. It's a place that explodes your senses, a playground for the rich, a haven for the ambitious. It's a city of superlatives. The tallest, the biggest, the most expensive. But beneath the glitz, there's a soul. A blend of ancient traditions and modern marvels. This is a place where you can wander through bustling souks, haggle for spices, then hop in a supercar and speed across the desert. It's a city of contrasts, a place where anything is possible. I've been lucky enough to travel the world, to taste the flavors of countless cultures, but there's something about Dubai that stays with you. It's the energy, the ambition, the sheer audacity of it all. This city doesn't just dream big, it builds its dreams. So, if you're looking for an adventure, a chance to experience something truly unique, come to Dubai. This 3-day itinerary will give you a taste of what this incredible city has to offer. From towering skyscrapers to ancient souks, from desert adventures to luxurious indulgence, Dubai has something for everyone. Get ready to be amazed. Day 1 is about reaching for the sky. We're talking about the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Take the high-speed elevator. Your ears might pop. The view from the top, breathtaking. Next, lose yourself in the Dubai Mall. It's massive. We're talking over 1,200 stores, aquariums, an ice rink. You could spend all day here. But save some energy for the Dubai Fountain Show. It's a dazzling spectacle of water, music, and light. You'll find it at the base of the Burj Khalifa. Grab dinner at one of the many restaurants with fountain views. End your day with a stroll along Dubai Marina. It's a glamorous waterfront with luxury yachts and towering skyscrapers. Have a drink at a rooftop bar. Soak in the electric atmosphere. Dubai at night is something special. Day 2 is about experiencing Dubai's past and present. Start at the Dubai Museum. It's housed in an old fort. You'll learn about Dubai's history, from a small fishing village to a global metropolis. Next, wander through the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood. It's a maze of narrow alleyways and traditional wind tower houses. It's like stepping back in time. For lunch, try some authentic Emirati cuisine. I'm talking makbous, haris, maybe some lukai mat for dessert. You can't leave Dubai without trying the local food. In the afternoon, take an Abra ride across Dubai Creek. It's a traditional wooden boat. It's a cheap and scenic way to see the city from a different perspective. As the sun sets, it's time for an adventure. Head out into the desert for a safari. You'll ride dune buggies, watch a falconry show, and enjoy a traditional barbecue dinner under the stars. The desert at night is magical. Don't forget your camera. Day 3, aquatic adventures and palm-fringed luxury. Day 3 is all about water and luxury. Start at Palm Jumeirah. It's a man-made island shaped like a palm tree. It's home to luxury hotels, residences, and attractions. Check out the Atlantis Hotel. It's an iconic landmark with a water park, aquarium, and more. Speaking of water parks, spend the afternoon at Aquaventure Water Park. It's got thrilling slides, a lazy river, and a private beach. Cool off from the Dubai heat. After drying off, head to the Lost Chambers Aquarium. It's home to thousands of marine animals. You can even swim with sharks if you're feeling brave. End your day with a touch of class. Enjoy high tea at the Burj Al Arab. It's the world's most luxurious hotel. It's shaped like a giant sail. The views from the top are incredible. Sip on tea, nibble on delicate pastries, and toast to an unforgettable trip. Dubai, a city that never sleeps. Dubai. It's a city that never sleeps. A place where the old and new collide. Where ancient traditions meet modern ambitions. It's a city that will challenge your perceptions and leave you breathless. This 3-day itinerary is just a taste. There's so much more to see and do. Explore the spice souk. Get lost in the gold souk. Take a cooking class. Learn to sandboard down the dunes. Dubai is a city of endless possibilities. Don't be afraid to get out there and explore. You never know what you might discover. Essential tips for an unforgettable Dubai adventure. A few things to remember before you go. Dubai is hot, like really hot, especially in the summer. Drink plenty of water. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites. Book your excursions in advance, especially the desert safari and Burj Khalifa tickets. They tend to sell out quickly. And finally, don't be afraid to haggle. It's part of the culture, especially in the souks. Dubai is waiting. Go experience the magic for yourself. You won't regret it. Subscribe to ZenTravelspher for more travel guides, tips, and inspirations to make your next vacation unforgettable. Let us be your go-to travel guide for Dubai and beyond.